It is so good. Natural pinkish. Good morning, everybody. It is day 2 of vlog week. This is the outfit of the day. We are fully bumming it. These sweatpants are like my favorite things ever. They're from Misguided. I think they're like their 90s joggers. I have them in 2 colors and would highly recommend wearing the Nikes, wearing a little Syracuse University long sleeve shirt. If you guys don't know, this is actually where I went to college, so we're repping today. But yeah, we're fully bumming it. It's just, that's the vibe for today. I'm starting off a very, very, very productive day in my life. I have a lot that I need to get done. But first of all, I'm going to go ahead and go get a coffee. We're actually going to get a coffee from a local business and breakfast. And I might sit out there and do some work for a little bit just to mix up the scenery for today. I feel like I couldn't talk out there because there was actually a lot of people there for a Friday. I mean, the whole seating area was like outside, but I just did not want to be stared at talking to my camera. But that was really, really nice. I got a pumpkin spice latte. It is so good. And then I got a croissant with egg, cheddar cheese, and bacon. That was also really good. I get that like every single time I go there. It's called the Original or something of that sort. It's like called something like very normal. I don't know how to explain it. But now I'm headed to get my car washed.
My mind is in a mess. I don't mind, I feel the rest.
I just got back home from the car wash and doing a little bit of work at the cafe. I need to clean my room. I showed you guys this yesterday that I literally never even completed cleaning my room, so we're gonna go ahead and complete that today and put away some clothes. So let's just go ahead and cue the time lapse and I will see you guys after.
Pick me up, I need a kid. I know that if I stop now, I'll pick it up by sundown. It's all a waste and I know. Can't see the end and I know. She be here waiting.
Does anyone else have a box hoarding issue? I can't seem to throw boxes away because, you know, never know when you're gonna need a box.
Got me feeling like I gotta run. Need another hit or 2 before I'm having fun. I'm gonna quit this shit before it fucks me up. I'm gonna quit this shit before it fucks me up. Dopamine got me feeling like I gotta run. Need another hit or 2 before I'm having fun. I'm gonna quit this shit before it fucks me up. I'm gonna quit this shit before it fucks me up. Need a night up.
Alright, we finished cleaning and I can actually see my floor, so it's a miracle. My room looks 10 times better. I still need to fold up that blanket on the floor, but I'm getting ready to head to the post office because I need to return these 2 packages. I had a pair of pants from Zara that were way too long. A pair of pants from Princess Polly. I showed it in a previous vlog that was just like way too big around the waist, so I'm actually returning for a smaller size because I like the pants, but they were just way too big on me. And then I think I might go get my nails done. I haven't got my nails done since quarantine started. I haven't got my nails done since March, and before that I was getting them done like literally every 2 weeks very regularly. It was like a treat myself situation. And my nails are disgusting, like you can't even tell on camera, but they are really nasty and chipped. And I haven't felt safe enough to go get my nails done, but I have a friend that goes to the same place that I do, and she was telling me like all about the safety precautions, so I feel like a little bit more comfortable now. So I think I'm gonna go get my nails done after I return the packages and then come back and do some more coursework. So I just finished getting my nails done. This is what they look like. I don't even know if you guys can see that on camera. I just went for like a natural pinkish color. I kind of thought they were going to be way more pink than they ended up being, so I don't love the color. That's 100% like not the lady's fault. She did a really, really good job of like the manicure portion, but I'm definitely gonna go for a different color next time. I'm currently going to head back home now to sit down and study for the CAPM course that I've been avoiding for the past few hours. So far I feel like it's been such a productive day, and I just feel like I really needed this. Yesterday was unexpectedly full. It was really, really fun, but it was unexpectedly full. I planned on doing like what I'm doing today yesterday, so it feels really good to be able to like knock all the stuff that I was planning on doing yesterday out of the way today. So let's go ahead and head back home, get some food in my stomach, and get back to work.
I'm worried about the way I've been living. I'm worried that you'll look at me different. I'm worried that this will all change. I'm worried about keeping you safe. I'm worried that I'm not that.
Already completed 3 or 4 out of the 7 modules that I have to complete today, and I'm gonna take a little break because I drank that energy drink, what is it called? The Celsius energy drink, and now I just feel like I need to work out because I have a lot of energy, which I guess is literally the point of them. So it makes sense. This all makes sense. But I just want to show you what I'm wearing before I go for the run. This top is from Athleta. I have it in white. I always get questions about my white one and where it's from, and that white one and the black one are the same thing. They're just from Athleta. I love them. It's like a built-in sports bra slash crop top. It holds me in. For size reference, I'm a 32 double D or a 34D, and I wear a size extra small, so I do say that they run very big, and it is a tighter fit, so if you would want a looser fit, I would say size up, but I'm wearing an extra small. These are my Lululemon leggings, and then I'm wearing my why did I just do it like that? My am I good? I'm wearing my Nikes. So I'm gonna go ahead and go for this quick run, then come back and take a shower and just like finish doing what I was doing, but I got like this little splurge of energy, and I just want to like run it out. Wow, I look great. Post run slash walk. So ended up being more of like a fast walking situation, but I've heard that's better for you if you want to like slim and tone rather than burn fat and build muscle, because running burns fat and builds muscle, whereas fast walking slims and tones. I'm pretty sure. I could be wrong, don't quote me on that. But that's what I've learned from TikTok lately. Anyways, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end off this vlog here. It has been a pretty productive day, and for the rest of tonight, I honestly plan on just doing that coursework, and I am going to save you guys from watching me do that coursework again. Since you've seen it a lot lately, I don't want to be too repetitive, and then I'm gonna also eat dinner and then just like hang out with the fam since it's Friday. So, with all that being said, thank you guys as always for watching my videos. I love and appreciate your support on this journey. I don't know why that just came out really weird. Anyways, if you're not subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let's chat in the comments, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep while you always in a hurry.